Are you an experienced crypto trader looking for a way to scale your profits without risking any of your own capital? Well, imagine getting access to $1 million trading account and keeping up to 90% of the profits. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's real, and it's happening here with HyroTrader, the game-changing crypto prop firm. So stick around and we'll show you how to get started. Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, we cover everything related to crypto trading and prop firms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest content. Today we're diving into HyroTrader, the first ever crypto prop firm that lets you trade on real exchanges with real liquidity. And we'll walk you through how to get funded, how the challenge works, and why this might be the best opportunity for serious crypto traders. So let's get into it. So what is HyroTrader? HyroTrader is a crypto prop trading firm based in Prague that offers traders the chance to manage large trading accounts without putting any of their own capital at risk. The firm partners with Bybit and Cleo to provide real market trading opportunities, so sign up today. What you can do is you can trade with up to $1 million in funding, keep up to 90% of your profits, and with no personal financial risk, HyroTrader covers the losses. You get the fastest payouts within 12 to 24 hours right into your wallet. So if you're tired of trading with small capital or worrying about losing your own money, HyroTrader might just be the perfect solution for you. Getting started with HyroTrader is really simple, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First off, you're going to apply for the challenge and you choose your account size and the trading platform you're going to be using, Bybit or Cleo, and then you complete the challenge. Prove your skills by achieving a 10 or 15% profit target. There's no time limit on this, but you must abide by the trading rules. Next up, you're going to pass the verification. After you successfully complete the challenge, you'll undergo a performance review and a KYC check as well. Next up, get funded and trade. Once you're approved, you receive a funded demo account with a profit split starting at 70%, and that increases every 4 months, all the way up to 90%. Obviously, once you make some profit, you can receive your payout. You receive your first payout just one day after your first trade, and withdrawals are processed within 12 to 24 hours in USDT or USDC. You can choose. So why join HyroTrader? You should consider trading with HyroTrader over the other prop firms because of these key benefits. You have large capital access. You start with up to $100,000 and you can scale up to $1 million account over time, of course. There's no personal risk. If you lose, HyroTrader takes the hit, not you. It's our capital that you'll be trading with. You have access to performance coaching and great trading tools. You get access to trading insights, education, and account analysis tools with mentors as well. You have the fastest payouts in the industry, get paid within 12 to 24 hours after requesting the withdrawal, and also refundable challenge fees. Once you pass the challenge and you get your first profit split, your initial challenge fee is refunded in full. This isn't just another trading platform. It's an opportunity to trade at a professional level without the usual risks. Here are some of the most common questions that we have about HyroTrader. Number one is, do I need a Bybit account? Yes, if you choose to trade on Bybit, you'll need a Bybit account so you can connect it via an API. Another one, can I use trading bots or automation in the challenge phase? Automated trading is not allowed at this stage, but once you become a funded trader, you can use them. Can I trade both futures and spot markets? Unfortunately, no. With HyroTrader, you can trade on USDT futures. Is copy trading allowed? No. But once you do reach a 15% profit payout, you can become a master trader and earn from copy traders. Can I scale beyond $200,000? The answer is yes. The scaling plan of HyroTrader allows you to grow the account up to a $1 million funded account. So is HyroTrader the right fit for you? Well, if you're a skilled trader looking for more capital, less risk, and bigger rewards, this literally could be your best opportunity to scale up. So if you're ready to start your trading journey, check out HyroTrader today and take the challenge. The link is in the description below. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And drop a comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy trading, guys.